Hey guys, so you clicked on this video because you're thinking about doing affiliate marketing or you want to scale your affiliate marketing business to the next level. You're in the right place because in this video, I'm going over 7 things that you need to know before building a profitable affiliate marketing business. This is a very strategic business, so make sure to watch until the end. These are all things that I wish someone had told me before I began building my affiliate business. And if you follow these tips, I guarantee you'll 1, be more successful in generating income, 2, know what types of content to make, and 3, have a better vision for your affiliate marketing business. Let's get started. The first thing you need to know is that the opportunities are endless with affiliate marketing. This industry has been around for quite a while now, but it's a lot bigger than people think. If you take a look at this chart, you can see that by the year 2022, affiliate marketing spending in the US is going to be around $8.2 billion. This is 3 times what it was 10 years ago, and globally, it's going to be even more. Search interest is also up 200% since the year 2015. Now, a really interesting fact is that 85% of shoppers will search on Google first before purchasing something. This presents the perfect opportunity for blogs and YouTube, because if you're able to make content about these products, you'll be the last point of contact before they actually buy it. In a recent survey, 35% of affiliates said that they made an annual revenue of at least $20,000. This is a lot of money. I'm not exactly sure how accurate the survey was, but it just shows you that there is actual money in this industry. And that really is why it's never too late to start. The second thing that you have to know is that not all content is made the same. The stuff that does really well with affiliate marketing is highly targeted content that is very specific. You really can't make general content and expect it to convert well. There's just a lot of people creating content these days, so you really need to find a way to stand out. If an article or video is just too broad, then no one's going to click on it. Rather than click on something that is more targeted and specific. If you guys look at an affiliate program's earnings per click and think that you'll get that exact amount per click, that is not the right way to go about it. Because not all views and clicks are the same quality. Let's say, for example, you guys want to pitch the company 1Password. If we take a look at their network earnings, you can see that in the last 7 days, their earnings per click seems to be about $19. Now, that's actually extremely high. I don't know if that's actually accurate, but that shows that for each click on average, you are earning $19 of revenue. Now, if you pitch 1Password on a general blog post about money habits, for example, versus a post about how to stay secure in the digital age, obviously those articles are going to perform extremely differently. The one that's about staying secure in the digital age is going to have a much higher earnings per click than the blog post about money habits. And the same thing applies to any other affiliate marketing program. So really, there is a lot of importance in making the right content about the right types of products. Without the right content, your conversion rate really suffers. And what I like to think is like 1 really targeted post is much better than 10 very general posts. What I want you guys to do is get into your consumer's mind. What will they search before buying the product? Or where are they looking to do research before buying? Using that information, go out and create the right type of content that performs well. The third thing I really want to talk about is traffic dictates your success. It's extremely easy to start affiliate marketing, but it's very hard to do well. And what is the main reason for that? It's because traffic is hard to get. Anyone can go out there and sign up for a bunch of different affiliate marketing programs, but if they don't have the right type of traffic, then, well, they're not going to get any clicks and they're not going to make any money. But you guys, it's totally okay to sign up for these affiliate programs without a lot of views. Just don't expect to make a lot of money at the start. If you want to be able to make 6 figures in affiliate revenue each year, this means that you're going to need thousands to tens of thousands of views per day. What's the best way to do this? Well, the best way, like I sort of mentioned earlier, is to make great content that ranks well and gives people a lot of value. When this happens, people will watch your videos for longer, or they'll read your blog or article longer, and they are way more likely to share. And all this stuff combined makes search engines pick up on that performance and put it higher in the search results. You want to focus on building the audience first before diving into the whole affiliate marketing space. And to build that audience first, you just need to give out a lot of value. That is the key word that I tell everyone that wants to be successful at affiliate marketing. You need to give out a lot of consistent value for a long time. And when you do that, you're rewarded with an engaged audience that will actually click on your links and purchase whatever product it is. The fourth thing you guys have to know is you really want to practice your call to actions. This doesn't matter if you're making videos or if you're writing blog posts. You just really want to get good at incorporating your product into your content. The really important thing is that you don't want to be too salesy because that turns off a lot of people. For example, if your blog post starts off with, hey guys, check out this product, blah, 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 that's pretty bad. Instead, you'll want to incorporate the product naturally so it's not like a sales pitch. For example, if your article or video is about the top 5 VPN services, you must provide value and a lot of good information about each of them. Then what you can do is you can place a link to that specific VPN at the end of each section, and that I think should perform extremely well. Don't focus on that affiliate link as the centerpiece of your piece of content. Instead, affiliate marketing, you guys, it's a space where you want to be a little bit more low-key with your sales pitch, and when you do that, it's going to work wonders on the conversion. Number 5 is don't go too far out of your niche. I see this mistake in a lot of beginners, and they're really just pitching all sorts of products without a real focus. The services and products that you pitch should all be stuff that you either use or believe in, and it should also relate to your page. This brings me to the point of niching down your page, because if your content is all over the place, then really your page does not have much authority, and that leads to less conversion. This is a big mistake that a lot of people do. They're just way too general in both the types of content that they're making as well as the types of affiliates that they are promoting. For example, on my own YouTube channel, I won't push products that my audience would not buy because that just would not make any sense for the video. For my channel, my stock affiliates tend to do extremely well because I have a pretty big audience that is interested in stock market investing. And I want to say that 99% of the time, niche down content creators will do better than general content creators, both in terms of audience loyalty, revenues, and success with affiliates. And this connects with my next point, number 6, which is really consider cutting down the number of affiliates that you work with. When you start, you might have the tendency to want to just partner up with anyone that you can. A lot of people think that the higher number of affiliates that they work with, the more money that they can make. But I want to tell you guys that this is actually not always the case. In fact, it's likely not the case at all. It's okay to start off with more affiliates at the very beginning, but what you'll want to do is you'll want to start weeding some out that aren't performing well. When you have few quality affiliates that you're making highly targeted content for, you're almost guaranteed to be making more money than someone that is just putting all types of different affiliate links on their content. If half your article or half your video is about different affiliate programs, then people start to think, why is this person even creating content? Is it just to make money off these links? And when they think that, that's very dangerous. That gives you a lot less authority and a lot less trust. This trust and authority is what really gives you the ability to work with affiliates and do well. And if people don't trust your advice, they won't follow your recommendations. And of course, that is severely going to impact the amount of money you're able to make. By being more genuine, being more caring, and just really being value driven, this is what is really going to result in great conversions. And another thing I want to say is if you just have way too many affiliate links in your content, then your audience is going to get sort of overwhelmed and they're just going to click on none of them. So what I recommend doing is try and limit it to 5 links per video or article. Number 7 is that there are so many different types of content that you can make and so many different types of social media platforms you can take advantage of. I sort of talked about this earlier, but let's go over some of the best ways to actually use social media to build a 6-figure affiliate marketing business. The first one I want to talk about is YouTube, and obviously this is the big winner for me because it is my most successful platform I use for my affiliate marketing business. YouTube is extremely targeted and it's the second largest search engine in the world. So people are searching things up on YouTube to learn about them before they're actually buying. And if you make how-to videos using a product or a service, this does extremely well. Another great way to put out content is making a blog. And there are lots of great platforms that enable pretty much anyone to create a fantastic looking blog. Some people say that blogs are dead, but I don't think they are at all. I don't think they're growing as fast as YouTube or other social media platforms, but they still are huge and they still result in billions of dollars of affiliate revenues each year. One thing that's really great about blogs is that the earnings per view is normally a lot higher than on YouTube videos. For a YouTube video, the viewer needs to click read more on the description, which weeds out a lot of people from seeing your links. A lot of people are watching videos on their phone and have no intention of actually purchasing anything. And yeah, there are a lot of other reasons why the earnings per click or view is not as good on YouTube. With a blog, however, people are normally at a computer and they're likely finding it from Google search. This means that they might be very close to buying. Now, in terms of what platforms you guys can use to create a blog, there are tons of different ones such as Squarespace, Wix, WordPress. The list really goes on. Personally, I think if you guys prefer something that's very easy to set up, that looks really good, I recommend going with Squarespace. They have a free trial that you guys can use to test your own blog, so I will leave a link to that in the description below. And finally, another really untalked about way to make money on affiliates is to use social media. And you can actually do affiliates on TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook, Clubhouse, Pinterest, and a lot more. Pretty much anywhere where you can place a link, you can do affiliate marketing. And what I recommend for you guys to do is to create a link tree. This allows you to have one link that you can put on a page, and when they click on that link, then they can see multiple links. Making short form content on TikTok and on Instagram Reels is a really great way to reach a large audience. And if they are interested in whatever product you're talking about, then make sure you have a Linktree page on your profile that they can follow and buy that product. You can also make your own landing page for a specific affiliate and then pay other people with bigger social media accounts to post it. For example, let's say you're able to pay someone $200 to post a picture onto their Instagram page with 50,000 followers. This could lead to a good return on investment if it's the right audience. Let's say that for each purchase, you're making $20 in commission. This would mean that you need 10 purchases from that post to break even. So in conclusion, you guys, I want to say that affiliate marketing is such a great way to make money. It's perhaps my favorite way to earn passive money today. There is no startup cost, but you really do need views in order to make a significant amount of money. I highly encourage you guys to try this out. If you want to make money 365 days per year, 24/7, then affiliate marketing could be a great thing to get into. And I can't finish this video without telling you guys about my YouTube Academy, where I teach you how to build a profitable six-figure YouTube channel just like I have done. YouTube is by far the biggest source of affiliate traffic that I have, and it's the only reason why I am able to make a six-figure income using affiliate marketing. I will leave a link to that in the description below. So anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys got some value out of it. If you guys liked the video, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel to see more videos just like this. I make a ton of content about personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship. Thank you guys so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.